Hello everyone and welcome back to Writing Practices. In today's tutorial, we'll guide you step by step on how to write a France visa invitation letter. This letter plays a crucial role in supporting your guest's visa application by clarifying the purpose of their visit and demonstrating your commitment as a host. Let's get started. Your personal information. The first step is to include your personal details at the top of the letter. This ensures that the visa officer can identify who is issuing the invitation and how to reach you for any clarifications. Your full name, address in France, postal code, email address, and phone number should be clearly stated. For example, John Dupont, 12 Rue de Rivoli, 75001 Paris, France, john.dupont@email.com, +33 123 45 6789. Providing accurate contact information is crucial as it establishes your credibility and allows the visa officer to reach out if needed. Date. Next, include the date on which you're writing the letter. The date is essential for ensuring that the document is current and relevant to the visa application timeline, for example, March 10, 2025. Make sure the date reflects when you're writing the letter, not when the visit will take place. Recipient's information. Address the letter to the visa officer at the Embassy or Consulate of France where the visa application will be submitted. If you know the specific address of the embassy, include it as well. Here's an example. The visa officer, Embassy of France, 123 Avenue des Champs-Élysées, New York, New York, United States. This section ensures the letter is directed to the appropriate authority. Subject line. A clear subject line summarizes the purpose of the letter, helping the visa officer understand its intent immediately. For example, subject, invitation for Jane Smith to visit France. Keep the subject concise and specific. Salutation. Begin the letter with a formal salutation, such as, Dear Visa Officer. This sets a professional tone for the letter. Introduction of the invitation. In the opening paragraph, introduce the invitee and outline the purpose of their visit. Be sure to include their full name, address, and the planned duration of their stay. Mention that they will be staying at your residence. Here's an example. I am writing to invite Jane Smith, residing at 456 Elm Street, Springfield, Illinois, United States, to visit me in France from May 1st, 2025 to May 30th, 2025. The purpose of their visit is to spend time with family and explore the cultural landmarks of France. During their stay, Jane Smith will reside at my home at 12 Rue de Rivoli, 75001 Paris. This section establishes the core details of the visit. Details of the invitation. Here, describe your relationship with the invitee and the significance of the visit. This provides context for the visa officer to understand the personal connection. For example, Jane Smith and I share a close relationship as siblings. This visit will allow us to reconnect and celebrate my upcoming milestone birthday, which is an important occasion for our family. Adding personal touches highlights the genuine nature of the invitation. Accommodation and financial support. Clearly state that you will provide accommodation and specify any financial support you will offer during their stay. Include details about the attached documents that verify your ability to host and support them. For example, I confirm that I will provide accommodation for Jane Smith during their stay at my residence. Additionally, I will cover their living expenses, travel within France, and any unforeseen costs. To support this invitation, I have attached the following documents. 1. A copy of my French national ID card. 2. Proof of my address in France, like a utility bill. 3rd, proof of my financial stability, like recent bank statements. This assurance is vital to address any financial concerns. Visitors' details. Provide detailed information about the invitee, including their full name, date of birth, passport number, and your relationship. For example, full name, Jane Smith. Date of birth, January 15, 1985. Passport number, A12345667. Relationship to me, sister. These details help the visa officer verify the applicant's identity and relationship to you. Assurance of return. Affirm the invitee's intention to return to their home country after the visit by highlighting their personal and professional commitments. For example, Jane Smith has assured me of her intention to return to the United States after her visit, as she has strong commitments such as her employment at XYZ Corporation and family responsibilities. This helps mitigate concerns about overstaying the visa. Offer of further information. Express your willingness to provide additional information or documents if required. This demonstrates your cooperation. For example, if further information or additional documentation is required, please feel free to contact me at +33 12345 6789 or john.dupont@email.com. Closing and signature. Conclude the letter with a polite closing, your full name, and a list of attached documents. For example, thank you for your time and consideration of this application. Yours faithfully, John Dupont. Attachments: copy of French national ID card, proof of address, proof of financial stability. This final touch ensures the letter is complete and professional. By following this structure, you can create a compelling France visa invitation letter that supports your guest's application effectively. Be clear, concise, and honest in your writing. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Writing Practices for more writing tips and guides. See you next time.